ship tomatoes going to my farm.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the greenhouse where we're putting a bunch of early grilled tomatoes for our neighbor. Jared helped him build the greenhouse, and in the springtime we're gonna have access to that, hopefully, to make some starter plants instead of buying so many. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. It's so cool. It's nice in here. Very temperate. Soil's good and squishy. That's a good sign. Nice. Got some composted chicken manure in here. We brought you some plants. Alright, I'll help you out.
That's why I say keep them in there, and then they're...
Yeah, they'll get used to the temperature in there, and it'll be good. There you go.
I think they'll hurt up there for the night.
That should be alright.
Shouldn't. I can put them in here though. That might be more safer.
Yeah.
I'm going to plant them tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm not going to plant it tonight, eh?
Yeah.
I just had enough for the night, but I will do it tomorrow. It'll be dry in here and it'll
Yeah.
be safe.
It should be nice and cool tomorrow too for planting.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah.
Like, you see the size of mine?
Yeah. Oh wow, holy smokes, they're huge.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like a few inches around.
So, you know, like, when I start, you know, like you can take a picture there.
Wow.
That's a pretty good one.
Nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Look at those. So what do you sell them for a flat?
Well, what I did last year, I just, you know, like I would pick about maybe 10 stalks or so.
Yeah.
For $3.
Okay.
But I don't know, like I say, it all depends. 10 years ago or so we did this, eh?
Oh wow.
But anyways, this stump is just finally starting to rot away, eh? And I've heard that rhododendrons do, you see how good these rhododendrons are doing now? You have so much growth, but I've heard they done really good around old dead root stumps and stuff. Eh?
Makes sense, yeah.
I got them at the flea market for, you know, like $2 or $3 a piece.
Nice.
And, you know, they'll turn into something really, something before,
Oh, yeah.
Before you know, before that long, eh?
Yeah, nice. Yeah, they got a lot of new growth on them. They're so difficult to grow too, and they're doing so well, so definitely they're doing something right.
Yeah, yeah. Well, like I say, I've heard that, you know, growing around a stump there. See, that one over there, I mean, like, where do you get that kind of growth on that?
Wow.
It's really small, eh?
Yeah, look at that.
I mean? Look at that.
Holy, eh?
And it's just a small plant too, but I mean, like,
yeah,
if they get the right things, they can really grow.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I stapled it pretty good.
That's pretty awesome. I think it'll hold up through the winter. And then,
It will.
yeah.
I hope it will.
And then come springtime when he's done using it, we'll get to use it and we'll start some seedlings in there.
Yeah, sure. We're going to start a whole bunch in there.
Yeah.
That's why you left those 2x6 shells.
Yep.
I'm going to add on to it.
All right, let's go home and eat and plant more things.
Yeah. Landscape ties, everything is free.
Yep.
All free.
And that polyplastic was out of the garbage too.
Yeah, free.
Yeah. All it took was just to build it.
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
I told her that I need pictures. She would go ahead. I'm like, come on, we're going to have a greenhouse here soon. She's like, what? I said, well, yeah. We're going to greenhouse. Grows tomatoes.
Who doesn't want a greenhouse full of tomatoes?
It's not 100% professional, but look at it. It's Is that beautiful?
I think it is beautiful. It's perfect. And those,
Work.
I think those tomatoes are going to be really tasty. Go home, chicken. Okay. Come on, chicken. Come on, chicken. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Let's go, my girl. Good girl. You're going the wrong way, little girl. Come on now. Let's go. Come on, my girl. Come on. You gotta go home. It's almost dark out. Now that had to hurt.